back with more litho break. I have to say I'm tired, but like I'm excited. I was to say it. Um, got a lot of fun stuff going on. Uh, like voxel moons are working, which is kind of incredible. Um, but now's the time to make it so that it's actually mining a material. Which we've already started doing. So yeah, do we have that? We have stuff going on. This is a per moon thing going on. I like that, but yeah. But first we need to like update the nav mesh every once in a while. So let's do. I'm gonna start this. I feel like I need to start another chat going. Because man, this it's just so complex. All I can say. And I'm gonna be retiring this, probably be retiring this BCC LOD Streaming Manager V3 for a V4. Ah, because optimization and better. So this chat has a lot of old weight to it, I guess. So new one. All right. It's cool, crazy cool. Hey, great. You good? You solid? I'm gonna call it solid. And this thing is going to run in the background for like ever because it needs to gather context. And yes, Opus 4.6. There's so many I can pick from. It's like, it's just, yeah. But I do have two. I do have two to pick from. Yeah, I've been doing both, but right now I have codecs on a smaller task, smaller, yeah, and it's running on a different computer. So I don't want to use up its tokens. I want to, yeah, use up these because I got, oh my goodness, not that many left. But February 28th. Yeah, I've got enough. Got enough for the day. Terrain. Focus on getting functional. Oh, in fact, oh man. I would like to be able to, in the editor, generate the terrain. But then it's like, oh, I can only do that if it's in the scene. And it just takes a while. It just does. We can generate large swaths of terrain really quickly, like large chunks, but then go down to a single chunk where you can actually edit every single node. It takes a while. The nav mesh. Regenerating, refreshing. Train. Just edited. Oh yes, we have a bug. Shoot. Familiarize yourself. Terrain. Shoot. Equipment. I forgot about the bug that we have with the collision. I don't know what it's doing, but it's making stripes. It's not completely generating the train. Anyway, I'll figure it out. Rovers. Simulation, I forget what it was called. Rover Navigator. Yeah. Let me actually grab that thing and open it up and or I don't know. To approve. Yeah, to approve. It's improve. It's having edit. Use the mesh to plan a path, and then physics. Let's say then a light physics, and then the physics simulation A, B, then A to Alright, there we go. So first thing was going to be to get it wired up better. It's going to take a while. One thing I'm going to want to do now is fire up another chat, I think. Whatever. Doesn't really make sense. What would you call that shape? I don't know. Whatever. It's significant. Maybe I should be doing this on the other one. Oh, yeah. Well, no, that's BCC launching. So this one's, I'm doing that. Okay. What do you want? Oh, okay, it's still going. Yeah, see. All right. Oh, neat. I didn't know that's that before. Remove nav mesh agent dependency. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's exactly, yep. That's what I had planned to do a long time ago. I'm not even sure. No, it does do that. It does use the nav-based agent. But yeah, that's going to be a lot better. Yeah. This will keep it from like what we have right now is they kind of flip all over the place. Like, anyway. Which I never liked it, but I got it working. Back before AI had taken over. All right, now I'm going to work on my other project here. It's going to be really boring to do this, but whatever. Okay. Oh, nice. Ooh, boy. This is fun. Just, oh, man. Program has changed so much. Like, been, contemplating teach my kids how to program because I was like, yeah, it's going to be really important for them. Yeah, thanks, AI. Now how am I supposed to dad? Can't. I guess it's just teach them how to prompt. But then, like, how long are we really going to be prompting for? Are we really going to be prompting code for, like, how is this going to change? Ugh, there's so many predictions out there, and I don't think anyone is predicting it correctly. They don't know. They don't know. Yeah, it's a crazy time. That's all I can say. Crazy time. All right. And that it doesn't have it. Why did you get taken out? Whatever. Let's see what happens here. Still going. Still going. Wow. All right, let's. It's very important to review this stuff. I have found out. Oh, but let me get this going first. Draft. Next hero. Draft. fun. Okay, so it's done. Random offset jittering 310. Yeah, I really don't like how it does that, but it's like whatever. It's oh. Every 2 seconds, huh? Velocity set directly. Teleport. Yeah, I don't like it. Steering torque. Ooh. Boy. Yeah, we'll go with that. Stuck detection. 5-second interval. Yeah, 60 consecutive failures. Yeah, okay. Ground handle it. Tilt alignment to ground normal. This is like what happens in the rendering. So perhaps the rendering won't need it anymore. That'd be great. Actually, yeah, that's how it should be. Because if I don't know, we lose the ground, lose contracts with ground. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Okay, component. Okay. Anyway, steering. Yeah, look ahead. Path, sine angle, proportional torque for smooth. Yeah. Oh boy, this could be cool. Last time I did this, what was it? No. I never did do this, did I? Shame on me for not doing rigid body back in the day. Okay. Are you still going? You're still going. Oh my. Well, there's a new one. This sounds good. Tell him to keep it. I probably should. Yeah. I'm not sure I can run anything until this guy's done. He's going to start messing with code. Plus, it's like, it's not going to have modified to anything yet. What? Oh, wait. What? I said keep. There we go. So, okay. There we go. So that I want to go to guessing equipments. Let's start. Well, so the first one that's going to move is Mr. Beaver. Because he's going to actually go and he's going to build one of the rovers. Oh, that would be so cool if they like fell from the sky. Oh man, they're gonna need to do that. Oh, but then boy, it's gonna be fun. I just realized, okay, they're gonna fall down. But the ground isn't going to generate fast enough. Fall right down. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Hmm. Anyway, whatever. You know, network reach. Oh, network transform. Oh, is this? Oh. So remove. Well, let me see. Network is going to let me do a network. Yes, it will. Okay. Use rigid body for motion. Is those when enabled and network attached? Use rigid body for motion. I think so. So then, well, so wait, hold on a second. Do I also have this network transform? I think I do. I just don't know. I'm guessing they work together effectively. I don't know. It's all code I don't maintain. So nav mesh agent should be. Wait. Nav mesh agent. Oh, not. Do we still use nav mesh agent? So. We don't use nav mesh agent anymore. Is that right? Like what we're doing is we're turning it on and off. Anyway. Rover navigator. Does the rover navigator use a nav mesh agent? I don't think it does anymore. Let me check. No, it's not right here. Layer mask. Nav state. Yeah, doesn't use a nav mesh agent anymore. And that these changes will thankfully happen on everything, so I don't have to go to every single one. Entity. Okay, those should be, yeah. There we go. Okay, so Oh yeah, there's a bug where you spawn in and how do you do gravity? I don't know how it does gravity yet. This is the problem. He didn't explain it. He did a pretty good job explaining it, but I didn't completely explain it. So we now have a rigid body with a mass, which will need to be bigger than that. But it's going to fall down with gravity. So we want to not use gravity. I need to tell it, like, we need to calculate the gravity nearby. Oh, yeah. Include layers. Site simulation. And no. And oh no. Okay, we'll have to do it. Every site is its own radius. Yeah, I like that idea actually. So I've got a few questions for it. Oh yeah. Let's see what this collision stream I found. Yep. Chunk coordinate space is not actually aligned with world space. The zonohedron. Oh, so it wasn't that, but then that doesn't explain the other. Yeah, I don't think it produces both symptoms. Yeah, that is exactly it. So it fixed that one. I'm pretty confident. I don't know about the other one. Yeah. Yes, it should do that. Okay, that's good. Chunk world size, yeah. Okay. Let me field my concerns. Or should I just run it? See what happens. Let's run it and see what happens. I've got a feeling these. Well, no, it shouldn't. They should float. Right? Because I told them not to use gravity. Yeah. Because we need to impart our own gravity. And we also need to move them. Oh, come on. Oh, streaming while deving. Yeah, I want to change how this BCC, LOD streaming manager works. To get this whole thing where it's loading in every single layer before it actually gets to the one that you care about. Where did the oh, they're there. What are you doing there? Oh my goodness. Hi there. What are you doing? Okay, so he's idle. He's built. So if I then have him go, do what? Yeah, he's gonna book it over there and deploy. Oh, that's right. There's a bug in the. That's why it's underneath ground. Hopefully. Yeah. Like I walked right through everything right now, but whatever. I wonder. Oh wait. Where's my console? Ugh. The console is like never where I want it to be. Well, maybe I can find a better spot. Or we'll generate it in. Or jump in. It keeps on jumping around, but it's not showing up. Anyway, let's go to the site. I did see it drive over there. I think. But system material container. Do we have anything in here? Total volume 0, mass 0. What are you doing? There it is. If you're wondering why this is jumping around, it's not jumping around. We're jumping around. Mining. That's funny. It isn't mining. Let's go into simulation. It's like on its side. Come on, dude. It is on its side. And it is. No. Why? like, why is it not actually mining anything? I think it would actually mine something. Oh dear, what's it doing now? Oh, it's floating away. It's floating. Of course it's floating. Ah. Yes, there's the console. Let's watch our little dude float away. Oh, there he goes. Oh, that's the rendering. It's seeing the ground now. It's like, oh, I should right myself. No. No, you should not. Actually, you should not do that. Isn't this fun? Hold on. Nope, it is not creating a hole in the ground. Anything like that. And now it's going to just float. Because it's too far up off the ground. Oh, well, there it goes. Okay. Join our Discord, by the way. Fun things happen there. Oh boy. Yeah, it's still probably still it's floating away still. It's actually done floating, but anyway. Yeah, there's our simulation guy. Wait, why is he? Oh, right, because his terrain is not visible because it was just too much. This is our simulation guy. And there's a train that he walks along. Oh, if I could see that. Anyway, I'll walk her a little bit and then you'll see him move around a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. That's data. Oh, sorry. Local character sim. Character. I was looking at the wrong thing. Where's the character? Where is he? Wait, what? No. Do I really have it? Right, because they're both using the same position. Apparently I can move him. But I probably can't do the same thing to his rendering. Because, yeah. Because it's just matching his position. hoping it would just find its way and mine the ground. Blinding warning, whatever. Okay. Too concerned. Too concerned. Okay. Actually, if he paths and is failing a bunch of times, he will just go to his destination eventually. Um. Um. For one thing, we can't use the gravity. Because gravity on the moon differs between moons, and we are extremely geeks. Pay attention. I can't explain it any way. In any better detail than that. If you can't have fun with AI, like what's the point of it, right? Maybe 6. Simulation. Probably means we should. Yeah. Anything inside. Where's our gravity zone? Oh my gosh, this is getting so complex. So grav zone. No, grav gauge. This is gonna be fun. So this is a simulation. This is a simulation. So gravity zone. How does this work?
It's in here, isn't it? No. I'm a geek. Get over it. Man, where was this gravity zone? Got this box collider. Way over there. No, no, no. Wait, what? Why are they? What's going on here? Oh, so you can click anywhere. Okay. Don't have that showing up. Whoa. That better. All right. So what was I using for it? Grav cage hexon. No. No. Allie did a fantastic job on all this, by the way. Yeah. Bummer. Oh, how did that work? We had a gravity chamber system. It was like all working. What did I do to it? This is just all visual stuff. Um, been too long. I don't think it was that. I know I had it working. I was getting thrown around the moon. It was cool. It was fun. Pretty sure I didn't just remove everything. Then why does this gravity zone not have anything on it? Where does this gravity generation field use? Was it even that? Let's see what it is. Okay. This is on the station. It's gonna drive me crazy. Um, how? How did it work? I guess if yeah, it's like okay, buildings. There's not in there. It's not that. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, whatever. I guess we're gonna rewrite this thing from scratch because I don't see it anywhere. I remember having problems with it because uh, anyway, it wasn't working the way. Hmm. It wasn't quite working the way I was hoping it would. It was sending things flying, sure, but like someone's gonna want to jump inside and like have it actually move them in a certain way, a certain direction. It wasn't really working that way. Anyway. Man, this thing's already near its context limit. So in the future to all right. I need to get going here pretty soon. And work on stuff. Yeah. Right. While it's running, I can actually see if it's fixed the terrain generation. Come on, another computer. Wake up.
I do need help switching the setting.
Okay, and I'm back. Let's make sure we don't run out of oxygen here because we're about to. I still has some bugs with that. Let's see here. We. Oh man. They're trying to build you, guy. Okay, physics is gonna be fun. It's gonna really be fun to have the physics going on. I'm just gonna say that. But it should fix itself because it should be like, oh, I can't. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Oh man. Idle, they're all idle. Oh, there it was. Oh, there it is. Hey, I just want to click you. Yeah. See, there it goes. It fixed itself. Oh, of course, yeah. I don't think it's gonna modify the train. Whatever. Yeah, bummer. I don't think anything changed. Well, okay, things changed, but nothing should have changed in that. Yeah, we got these all. See, all these messes. I wonder if it's actually looking for. I wonder if it's. I wonder what it's doing. Oh, way too many. Why is it updating the thing constantly? This might be why we're having slowdowns before. Anyway. I'm just going to step through the code real quick. Go for system states mining minor. Or are you have no moon material catalog? Maybe that's part of the reason why. Hold on, we should have one. Nope. It should be target material ID should be silicate sand. If we have it set on silicate sand. Oh, this thing is a mess. There we go. Just mines nearby stuff. There's the divot. Yay, so it works. I guess that works. Now to find out if we fixed this. And oh boy. Let me just what are you doing? Okay, surface site, that's fine. You should never be expanded. BCC lot, go. All right. So, oh, not a good sign. See, I said. I told it. I called it. I called it. So, so this is looking promising. We don't want it to be generating things that are like way out there. It was generating like a cube, not cube. It was a diamond shape thing, but it doesn't need to be. So it just needs to be generating a terrain that's real close. Why are actually showing? Is it just because the mesh is that fine? It is. Oh man. The mesh is just that fine. Oh, here's a divot. So if show this off. Show off how this works. We show off how this works. Where's the ground? Oh, right, because I disabled the ground. I was like, where's the ground? I did that. Okay, so I can't see the ground. Let me turn that back on. Okay, here we go. There it is over here. You can see, like, I can walk in this thing. It works. I can walk in it. What's actually going on? Yeah, okay, we got this divot here. That's just the visual. If I then, yeah, and there's the divot there. But you'll see, I can disable this rendering all I want. In fact, let me disable that and show you that the divot is in a different spot. Oh wait, but until this whole thing renders in, it's not going to actually show it. Never mind. Is it done though? No, it's not done. So it's not going to show up yet. But yeah, the divot should show up like right there. So yeah, this is my issue right now. Getting close. Yeah, it looks like it will. We're getting like more than halfway there. The whole heart. But I got a feeling we're gonna end up with these stripes still. Even if they're still here. But we'll have to wait until it's done before we can actually see it. That's gonna take a little bit. So I'll be here, but I'll effectively be right back. Oh yeah. The double train looks a little funky from the editor. Yeah. Like 5 different terrains going on. But we're gonna have many trains. One for each site that you set up. And this is our progress to getting multiple sites. So one for the character, so that you can walk wherever you want, just wherever. So the train kind of follows you around. A little creepy, but you know, it is what it is. And then there's another one for every site. So, yeah. And the sites are, I mean, I don't know. The sites should be about this big, right? I want them bigger, but like realistically, you can just set up multiple sites if you want another mining location. Yeah, and then another one for the rendering because you need to be able to see what's going on. And I'm pretty sure this texture is just temporary, but we'll see. There's demands to keep the hexagon. We'll listen. Huh. No. We're gonna go with like normals. We have a bit of a plan for how to make the terrain look better. It's like normal swapping as you're getting to higher and higher lods. So that I'll show you this. This, once you zoom all the way out, it starts to look kind of bad. Honestly, it's just bad. So yeah. Anyway, but if it had the colors are okay. We need to get better colors. But yeah, better colors and then normals at different lot levels, so that it feels like there is actually something going on down there rather than just being a straight sphere. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting for normal mapping. Yeah. Let's get back in there. Okay, so how are we doing? Yeah, see, we still have these. Is it done? I think it's done now. Nope, it's not done. All right. So I'm going to turn this back off. And it's got to be pretty close now. Sim surface site. It's going to take a while. Oh, it's really close. Okay. Looks like it's done. And those lines persist. All right. Oh, that was. Okay. And these are all on site simulation. That's good. So I don't even know. Where's my snipping tool go? Okay. So stop that. Is this? Did I? Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Go to source. Winning gravity. Okay. Each gravity source is a component with a collider turbine. Okay, good. Following there. Central resolver. Yeah. Okay. A central resolver on each rigid body. Where is overlapping zone. Implies winning gravity. Ooh. Gravity. And rover navigators use gravity. Yes, exactly. All three of those. Because that's like three anyway. Um it should be site. There we go. Oh, use additive blending instead. Yeah, I was wondering about that. Oh, so this. I think we need to go with blending. And effectively, if if you're within a gravity zone and another one is applied. Both of them apply. Like if you're fully within a gravity zone, but that gravity zone is within another gravity zone, both of them apply to you. Does that make sense? For moon gravity zone, okay. How should the surface gravity be determined? Yes. Have it be predetermined. Shoot. Yeah, we need to upgrade all the consumers. I gotta go for it. I don't want to be. I want this half implemented and then try and build on top of it. So if this pushes back what we can do in the next full moon update, oh well, yeah. Okay. All right. It still has. Okay. It still. D. Like, how was I able? I don't know. I'm still some stripes. Image. I'll say it. Yeah, so this is gonna be fun. Hopefully they won't mess with each other. This one should be fast. And if it doesn't, if it's not fast, I don't know what to do. Anyway. Other project. Oh boy. Is it still going? Oh, it's done. Okay. Oh, cat. Sorry. I need to really. Oh man, let me get Chatterino going. This will actually like beep at me. Let's see. What did I miss? Where are the moonflowers? Moonflowers. Actually, I've considered vegetation, but oh, I already had my tea for the day. I actually, oh, stopped having coffee. Whatever. It is how it is. um, yeah. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know. I go without eating when I get focused. It's unhealthy. So yeah. Of course, I still eat too much, but whatever. Yeah, I stopped drinking too. I've got water sitting right here. I just forget. And I'm quite thirsty right now, to be honest. So thank you for reminding me. Okay. Who's doing what right now? You're okay. You're still, but you're actually making some. No, you're still working. Oh, please finish before the other one starts. Yeah. Like, yeah. Oh. Mm. I should probably have a snack. But anyway. Um. Yeah, you've seen the Voxel moon now. Like, oh, I don't have it rendering right now. But like, I don't know. It's pretty exciting. Right now we have miners just floating off. But that's because there's no gravity. Hopefully that will change very, very soon here. Why is this taking so long? Hey, buddy. Looking at the image. It tests whether chunks distance from the plant centers within the band of the surface rays. Oh, maybe it's floating point? No. No. Maybe, but yeah, it's the, the AI has like no concept of a floating point error. It was hard to drill it into the AI. Like, no, if you calculate something that's near the limit of the floating point, yeah, they are completely going on strike. They're floating. If they're flying off the moon, they're so on strike. Um. Anyway. it has no concept that as you get to a higher, as you get like a floating point that's like 14 digits, um, it's near that's limit, but it has no concept that it's actually, getting errors. So getting it to use my d vector 3, which is just a float, vector 3 float with doubles instead of floats. It was a task. And I think it still has some issues because I'm getting some weird regions of the moon. So, but this is just we're rendering real size moons, and so floating point errors are cropping up like everywhere. But anyway. I feel like I need a better charger. All right, so moon add moon gravity zone component. Wait, what? No. Moon gravity zone? Are you kidding me? No. Unless no. Anyway, moon gravity zone is not gonna work. Gravity body attached to reduced body disables. Use gravity tracks overlapping zones. Okay, that's good. Moon gravity zone. What about the sites? It's never too late for math. uh Not, yeah. There's no way that this game would be anywhere near as done as it is if I didn't like math. Yeah. Come on. So let's see here. There should be. Let's see what let's see what code it's got going on. No, not here. Not in the core. Oral simulation. If I go to Empedocles and I say, hey, moon gravity zone, what is it actually? See, no, absolutely no. See, didn't get what I was trying to say. I was trying to get us to. I'm gonna have to get it to undo that. Great. So what's going on with this terrain? Is it just what is that? Why is there this thing here? Meteor. Maybe is it meteor? No. What's going on with this? Is it actually on here? No. I don't know what's going on. Just gave it a task too big, didn't I? No, don't use world space. I forget what it was. Like 6 point something. It was 6.2. Oh, the scale of this game. Anyway, it shouldn't be that big. But like, what's the scale of that? Well, if we're gonna do a sphere collider. Sphere is spelled with a P. Thank you very much. Okay. And then gravity. Oh, there we go. Don't mind me. Oops. There we go. We're gonna go 550. So that it definitely gets everything. Ugh. So I'm gonna say you can just get rid of that. Was slightly wrong. Anyway, gravity. There is no way to simulate gravity. just locally. Sites. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna fail. We're gonna make gigantic moons. And yeah, we're gonna now that we can show that you can actually render. I mean, there's other games that have done things similar to this. Astroneer being one. It's like, but not completely. I mean, yeah, shoot, even like World of Warcraft had terrain really far away that was being simplified back in its launch. So, like, this is not entirely new, but throwing it inside of a voxel system and, you know, and rendering it at real scale. I haven't seen that. I've been looking and I haven't seen that. I'd say the game that's come closest is Space Engineers. But if you actually look at the size of their moons, they're actually like, they're basically the size of asteroids. Or the size of their planets. And Kerbal Space Program, no voxel moons, and there's real scale mods to that game, but you can't modify the terrain. So, but they do, modify the terrain geometry, so you can go really far, which is a very, very impressive tech by itself. So yeah, especially for its time. Like, there's I don't want to tell you how many hours in Astroneer I have, and Kerbal Space Program. I can't even. Like on Steam, it shows over 1,000 hours, but that's the non-modded version. So, and I played a lot more modded version of Kerbal Space Program. So, yeah. But I had so much fun with the game because it's just like, yeah. All right. Hold on one second. Okay. I've got 5 minutes. So I'm gonna get a couple prompts going. And probably run the test. Factorio, I haven't played Factorio. I need to play that game. I've seen so many hours of people playing it, but I never just picked it up myself. Oh, when it goes on sale, maybe. I know. I'm sorry. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed to have said I have not played Factorio. Yeah. I've played Satisfactory, but of course, Satisfactory's got the name of 3D Factorio for a reason, because Factorio it's not the OG, but it's, for what it is, it's pretty close to OG. Yeah. Anyway, Yeah. I've seen it on sale a little bit, but like, not really. What is it going to be? Uniform gravity, though. Oh, we should call it Moon Sight. Oh. Having it watch the site. Change to figure out and set full gravity. There we go. Well, no. Get rid of that. I want to grab gravity. Okay. I gave it a task that was just way too big. That was my fault. But I'm going to break it down now. And so hopefully it'll work out. I'm still learning how to use AI stuff. I think everyone is still learning how to use AI stuff. So anyway, we'll get this working. We'll get gravity working on the moon for both the character and the site itself. Yeah, fun. Lots of fun. Anyway, I'll be back with more progress updates and programming fun. Yeah, see now you do have a full picture. Good. Yay, got rid of that thing. First thing it did. Wow. Okay, there we go. I told it to remove it, and then it's asking me for permission to remove it. Anyway. Christian of Tassay Labs. Stay safe in the verse. Thanks for hanging out and chatting about geeky stuff.